Hi, I'm James Hubbard, Superintendent Pharmacist for Choice, and I'm here in our new outpatient pharmacy based in the Chester wing at Sunderland Royal Hospital, and I'm delighted to introduce our new BD Raw outpatient robot. The robot's been a massive investment, but it'll provide huge benefits for staff working in the pharmacy, as the robot's able to pick items, label them, and also put stock away, so it means that staff can then direct the time to patient care. So we'll just give a little demonstration of how the robot works. So I've selected an item to output, and we're going to send it to the conveyor belt down the side of the robot. So the robot's now in the process of picking the packs, and they'll all come out of this output here. So there we are, 2 packs picked, less time than it would take someone to go and retrieve them. So if we then want to put these packs away, we have a conveyor belt at the bottom of the robot. We select it, we'll turn and stop back into the robot, and then the conveyor belt starts to work and it puts the item into the robot.